DID AI Avatar Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think AI avatars look fake, but you won't believe what happens next when you see DID in action. DID is an AI avatar platform that turns photos into talking digital presenters. You upload an image, type a script, and generate a speaking video. The surprising truth is that DID can produce realistic facial expressions and lip sync. Most people get this wrong. They assume one avatar fits all. In reality, image quality strongly affects results. DID is best for educators, marketers, and explainer video creators. The surprising truth is that digital presenters are now affordable. Subscribe for more honest AI video tool reviews that help you create smarter,